Hey everyone, I am Mr. Ladwig and I work in the Odyssey Tech Department. In this short video, I'll be showing you how to log into both Moodle and our school Gmail before I walk you through the basics of how to use both. To get started, go to our Odyssey website at odysseykTwelve.org. Up top, you'll notice a link for Moodle Login and for Gmail Login. When you click on each one, it takes you to the login or homepage of both of those. So if I click on Moodle Login, it takes me to this homepage where it has alerts, announcements for each school, and a public calendar towards the bottom. In the upper right-hand corner, if you click Login, you'll use the username and password that have been sent to you. When you log in, let me show you where you get your courses. So if you click on this drop down where My Courses is at, you'll see all your current courses, or you can go to the dashboard. And in the dashboard, I recommend keeping it at In Progress. This will show you all the current courses you're in. When you click on a course, up top, you'll see some familiar things in each course, like email address, how to contact them through Google Meet, and you'll probably see a course syllabus towards the top as well. As you scroll down in the course, you'll see different quizzes, lessons, and assignments. I recommend that you do them all by the due date. To see the grades for all your classes, click on your name and select Grades. This is your grade overview report. It lists your grades for all your current classes. When you click on each class, this will take you to the individual grade book for each class, and you can see all of your grades for each quiz, lesson, etc. Now that I've given you a quick walkthrough of Moodle, let's take a look at Gmail. Here's a Gmail login page. Your username and password are the same as your Moodle username and password, except your username for Gmail will have at odysseykTwelve.org at the end. Once you're logged in, you'll notice it looks just like any other Gmail account. Here's all the incoming messages, and you click on this little button to compose a new email. When sending a message to teachers, administrators, or staff, you'll notice once you start typing their name, their full name and email will appear automatically. For example, if I want to contact Mr. Fitz, I start typing in his last name, which is Fitzgerald. When I click on it, it fills it in automatically. All I have to do is type a subject and an email and press send. That's it. Okay. Again, my name is Mr. Ladwig. If you have any questions, go to the Odyssey homepage, go to contact, and you can contact me through the tech support link. Take care.